In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Facebook dating profile not visible. First, let's open the Facebook app on your device. This app is essential for accessing all features, including Facebook dating. Make sure you find the app icon and tap it. As the app loads, you'll see your news feed. This is where you can engage with friends and updates. However, our focus is on ensuring that your dating profile is visible. If the app doesn't load properly, it could be a sign of connectivity issues. Don't worry, we'll address that soon. Next, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for all app functionalities. Look for the Wi-Fi or mobile data icon at the top of your screen. If the icon shows that you are not connected, try turning on your Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you are connected but still facing issues, consider toggling the connection off and then back on. This little step is important because it keeps you connected to all features of the app, including your dating profile. Now, restart your phone. This simple action can solve many temporary glitches. To do this, press and hold the power button until you see the option to restart. Tap on it and wait for your phone to reboot. Once it powers back up, open the Facebook app again. Restarting clears any minor software issues that could be causing your profile to not show. It's a quick fix that often works wonders. From there, turn on location permission for Facebook. Location services help the app provide more accurate matches and functionality. To do this, navigate to Settings on your phone. Then, select Apps and find Facebook in the list. Tap on it and look for location permission. Make sure it's turned on. This is significant because without location access, your dating profile may not function as intended, limiting your visibility to potential matches. Next, ensure that you are 18 years or older. Facebook dating has age restrictions in place. If you are not of legal age, your profile won't be visible. Double-check your birth date in your Facebook settings. This is crucial to comply with community guidelines and keep your account safe. Confirm your Facebook account is at least 30 days old. Newly created accounts may have restricted access to certain features, including Facebook dating. This timeframe helps ensure that users are legitimate. Check your account creation date in your settings to confirm you meet this requirement. Now, check that Facebook dating is available in your country. Not all regions have access to this feature yet. You can verify this by visiting the Facebook Help Center or searching online. If it's not available in your area, this could be the reason your profile is not visible. Understanding availability is essential because it clarifies whether the issue is with your profile or the service itself. Open Facebook dating next. You can find this option by navigating through the app. Once in, tap on Profile. This is where all your profile information is located. Review your profile for any missing information. Ensure that all sections like photos and interests are filled out. A complete profile increases your visibility to potential matches and improves your chances of connecting with others. At this point, log out of Facebook. Sometimes, logging out can refresh your session and solve visibility issues. To log out, find the menu, scroll down, and select Log Out. Finally, log back in. This action can reset your account settings and help sync any changes made earlier. Simply enter your credentials and sign back in. This ensures that any adjustments to your profile are recognized by the app. Following these steps should help restore visibility to your Facebook dating profile.